Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Software Pre-Market Analysis. Let's start with S&P 500 first of all. So what we are looking at the recovery in the market right here after this yesterday, the brutal drop. The market will mark the bottom here and then recovery on the 30-minute time frame. So today what we are looking at, if the price comes to this fair value gap right here, this area, which is 595, the point of control line, and the fair value gap right in this area, that's where we are looking to short the next right in this area. So we'll be taking a short position right here, which is 695.12 to be precise, and then we short. And the price target will be 595 to right here 687.04, approximately $8 fluctuation in the S&P 500, which is close to 1%. Okay, so we let the price go up right here. The price is not bearish, even if the price is going down. This price right here is not bearish. Why it's not bearish? If you look at here, right here. So let me get you the channel. So when the price started bouncing here on this particular kind of spread candle at the bottom, we bought it, and then we have this range right here. Okay, so this range, the high of this candle right here, this range, the principal candle, most of the candle after this were engulfing to this candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11th candle break the resistance and went up. So now what we are looking at, because there was a range here, the consolidation before the breakout, the price is retracing, retesting this as a support line. So particularly on this candle, if we break down, okay, break down inside the range, again the price will consolidate in this area, 680, 687, 688 area. So there is like $1, $2 fluctuation here, and then the price should break out upside one time. If the price breakout and comes here right away, we'll be taking a short position. We'll not be shorting in this area. Okay, so we'll be waiting. We'll be monitoring the market tide in the market where the options will be going right here. Right here. So we'll be monitoring this as soon as we have the call line crossing, the put line crossing the call line right here, like yesterday it did here. As soon as we have the crossover for the call put ratio, we'll be taking a short position. So right now, no action at the market open. We'll be monitoring this one. All right, moving forward to wicks, what the wicks is holding, and this will make the price drop once again on the S&P 500 because the price breakout upside in the 30-minute time frame, and we have a falling wedge. Generally, what happens when you have a falling wedge, the market give you the false breakout. Okay, most of the cases there is a false breakout. So the price is pointing upside. There is a resistance here. What will happen? The price right here will drop and then go like this. So this is the kind of outcome. I'll show you in the past, you can see that similar. This is what the fake breakout looks like. If there is any pattern in the past, I can show you. All right, so right here, it's opposite of this chart. So what happened here, the rising wedge, the price was pointing down, but right in this candle, what happened? The price went opposite, create the bull trap and then sell off. So first move after the certain pattern is always fake. Okay. So right here, possibly the wicks drop and then shoot up. Okay, so make sure we are monitoring this on both sides. Okay, moving forward to Tesla, we have a falling wedge price in a long period of time since right here with the second lower high 451. The price will break out upside. We are looking for the internal, sorry, right here. We'll go on a 4-hour time frame to understand what's going on. So what we are looking at, we are looking for the internal demand. The price can go anytime, anywhere between 450 to 470, and then the price will sell off. This will remain the all-time high. Price will not take down this price. Okay, so right here, if the market need to repeat this entire and create the liquidity zone, what market will do? Mark this as a zone 1, mark this zone 2, and then take down all of these people out. So these are any trend you see right here is the internal zigzag of this pattern right here, like this one. This is where we are. Okay, so the price will go up. Resistance facing around 474, and where the resistance is coming from is right from this point, the previous high, not the current high, not this one. This will remain the ultimate high. The market will not break this. So the price is on Tesla is not going to 498 again, like $500, unless we go towards 360, 380, or even 330 area. Okay, so right now, this is the high we are facing right here, which is around 473, 474. So the price will recover 474, and then this entire leg right here, this one right here, this point will be repeated. So which will the price drop from 500 all the way to 417. So about $93 drop right at this point. Big drop will be coming, and this drop will mark the equal low of these points, which is 381, and which 380 plus $93 exactly makes you 470 area. Okay, so write this here, you know that exactly where the price is going. So recovery and then tank badly, mark the equal low, little bit of bounce again right in this area, and then go further down. We are in the downtrend on Tesla, and the price will continue going down unless we hit the bottom, approximately swiping all these liquidity. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4. All these people has to go out because Tesla has not taken the liquidity right after this point. Okay. These people right here, those who are entering around 400 area, were taken out right here. And from this point, which was 17th of November until February, there has been no liquidity. There has been not enough liquidity pool created by the institution. So they will pump, create the buy side liquidity first. They will pump, a lot of buyer will come in, and on the buyer, they will dump it again. And they will be stop lost mostly. And then at the cheap area right here with 338, 334 area, they will grab their share back in the cheaper price then. So institution hunt area is right here, which is at 334 area. 334 will be the area that will be buying as much as possible. Okay, till then, we'll keep scalping on this one. Moving forward to Amazon, I'm 100% bullish on this one on the earning because the price is trading in between. If you look at the stock is in uptrend, okay, after this down, the stock is overall in uptrend. Okay, what will happen in uptrend? If you pay close attention from this point to this point and the third higher high, you see that there is a bearish flag. Okay, but right now the price is within the bearish flag. Okay, if you look here, point number 1, up, down. So this was the high, higher low, another higher high, higher low, where we are heading into the next one. The third touch point, wave 5, higher high around 258, 260 area. That was our original price, 258, right when we bought it at 220. After this point, right at 258, we are looking for a big dump and take all these people out. Okay, so from here, short term we are bullish, long term the market will tank, and long term this tank will exactly bring the entire market down, and that's what we are looking at when we go to S&P 500. So this market has to tank. All the mega cap stock has to drop. If we are looking right here on S&P 500, what we are looking at, we are looking at a price of 650. This trend line first right here. Okay, so if we are looking here, a drop on the market equivalent to this point, okay, right here, which is 650 area. So this is where the price will tank. Okay, because what is going on here, if you look at on a daily time frame, you'll understand what's going on. So right from this point on S&P 500, this point, you see this, when was this high marked? Right here on 29th of October, and today we are standing at 4th of February. So 29th of October to 4th of February has been more than 90 days, and the market is struggling to break and stay above this area. This $10 has been a nightmare for the market. On a 689, almost the entire US economy participation in the S&P 500, the top companies, has not been able to push over this $7-8 range right here, just 1%. That shows that we are in a distribution right in this area. Why distribution? Every time after the price top, this was top, after that, every time price bounce up above, every time it has pulled back, and that tells us. So right here, you see that pull back. Again here, pull back. Again here, pull back. Again in the same range, pull back. Again here, pull back. Every single time price has gone into this area, pull back, and then suddenly again there is a little bit higher. So what is happening here? Means institutions are offloading their entire holding but they're offloading in particular area, which is 690 to 700 area, right in this $7 to $8 range. Okay, and that's what distribution looks like precisely. And if you look at right here on the volume, okay, every time the price goes, the volume spikes right here. This is not normal volume behavior. This is normal volume behavior below this blue line right here. Why the volume is spiking every time if the price is not going up? The volume should not go up. Volume should stay. If the price is not going, let's say price is within 1% here, $5 to $6 maximum. Okay, this area is like $5 to $6 of the entire S&P 500, which is under 1% move. Why suddenly there is a volume picking up right here? This volume, okay, this volume. Why there is a volume so high, like almost 1.5 times, but the price is not moving? So you need to pay attention. We are in a distribution zone on S&P 500. Every single pump is a short sell opportunity, and we have done 46 short trade back to back, closed in profit yesterday. Yesterday was the 46th trade we closed. So make sure every pump is a short sell opportunity. Now, moving forward to SMCI, very interesting. We were looking for the bullish breakout. We got the bullish breakout. Our share, which has a covered call for $30, will be called away. We will end up selling our share approximately $32. So we're quite happy with that one. It's not costing us because we have booked the profit multiple times. We have the short put, which is starting the recovery. Okay, so where the price is heading on SMCI, let's look at here. The price is exactly heading into this point right here, the previous high, which is 54.52 area. And right here, the price will have a rejection. The first rejection will be a 200 EMA, which is $40. Then we will have a retrace of this Fibonacci retracement right here. Okay. From that, the wave 3 will bounce right here. It could be wave 4 and retracement and then 5, but generally this is where the top is of this entire trend. Right here, the price will fail and then start pulling back once again. So 54 is the target because the third lower high area right here, point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. This is where we'll see the price going. After this point, if you clearly see, it's clearly visible that there is no volume right here. Right at this point, the volume has significantly dropped. If the volume drop right in this area above 52, that means there is no transaction. There is no holding. If there is no holding, price can melt up quickly, but it will fail right away. There is no guarantee that it will not go up. It can go up from here, but it will fail 100%. It will not sustain. That's 100% guarantee. Okay, so if the price goes from here, let's say it goes here, a lot of people, oh, well, why you exit the trade when it's gone up? Yes, because it will not sustain. That's why we exit. We don't know where the price will fail. But if the price break 52, it will not sustain. It will pull back to this area right here. So for anything, let's say it goes to 60, right away 45 back. This is, look at where the volume is. Look at where the transaction is happening. The price will go where the transaction is happening, not where there is a vacuum. So this is where the volume is, 45. So 42 to 45 area is the maximum number of transactions happening, and there is only two range. Either the price will stay in 32 area, wave 3 gap up in this area right here because there is no volume, the market will gap up and then shoot up into this area, which is 45, 42 area. Once the price will go to 42, 40 area, it will stuck here for a while. And if you closely pay attention every time, why every time the price is coming to this area and consolidating, you see that right here, the price came here, this area, the red area. So price came here, consolidated in this box, again rejected in this box, consolidated, again rejected, consolidated, again and again the price is coming into 42 to 48 area and the price is staying there. So minimum from here, from which is current price 32 area, nothing in this world can stop price to go to 48. All you need is patience with SMCI. Okay. So the price will 100% come to this area, 40 and then 52. After 52, I will not be holding any trade. It's not worth it because the price will not sustain. All right, moving forward to SMCI, right when the price was trading here, right here at 32.74, right on the last candle I alerted, I will not touch SMCI unless it dropped to 21.23. And right now the price is trading at 21.59. We have hit the price target on Friday. Now we have a trade. We'll continue trading this one now towards 30 area. Yesterday, Goldman Sachs updated JP Morgan updated the price target to $30. Why suddenly they came up with the $30 price target? Because this price is falling. had a retracement, took the previous liquidity right here, change of character at this point. The previous low was broken here, then the price went up. Did not. If the price is failing upside, what will happen? Right here was the indication that yes, this time we will take this liquidity. It was 100% visible to you on the chart. Look here. So the price went from here to here, came back, and the price failed to take this liquidity, went up, but also failed to break the previous high and failed the previous low. If the previous low is failed and previous high is failed, then where the price will go? It was 100%, like 1000% confirmed the price will take this liquidity this time. Why it will take? This is called a needed volume gap right here, below this candle to this candle. So this gap has to fill, and that's why the price is down. Now, where will the price go? Exactly the same thing the price will do. Here is this needed volume on the upside here. So price will fill this area right here. And where is the price going? 30.75, 30 area. So JP Morgan is not doing anything out of the blue moon or some analysis directly from the another galaxy or planet that, oh, now suddenly the price will go to 30. I don't understand who pays these idiots. It's such a common thing on the chart. We know where the price is going. Okay. Now the price will go and fill the upside gap right here, this gap from this previous high, and which is, if you look at the high of this particular candle, which was the high of this particular candle, is 30.42. And yesterday they upgraded the stock to $30. So we already know where the price is going. So right here, that will be your next high of the SoFi. $30. Get the hell out of everything, because after 30, again, the price will tank badly right here. So this will be the higher point. We'll have the another lower high. And look what's going on after 30. No volume. The volume dried up. So what will happen? Right at 30, the price will tank, and it will tank badly once again. Okay. So a lot of people are thinking, oh, SoFi will go to 100. No, it will not go anywhere. From 30, we'll drop back to 200 EMA. Same situation. We will not take the previous low and mark the high. So from 30, again, we'll fall into roughly about 23, 24 area. Okay. So you should be knowing that, which probably we will hold this area next time. So 30 to 23, 20, 23.50 area, the price will again drop. So this is what you are looking at now. So right here. And then after this, this is what will happen again. And if you pay close attention here, what is it doing? A channel downward. You see that clearly now where the price is going. So right from here, the price will bounce to 30 and then tank again. All right, moving forward to Rivian. We took the entry at 1354. We exit all trade at 2188. That was our price target. After that, price shoot up, melt up a little bit again, and the price fall. Right at this point, 2188, we knew it. Our price target is 1395. We have hit the price target. Yesterday, the price hit right in this area. Okay, so 1392. Our price target was 1395 to the penny, 3 cents. We have hit the price target. The stock is 100% bullish right now. We have a little bit of gap left here. If you pay close attention, this area, okay, the trend line, which is coming from the lower point right here, lower point to the higher low, second higher low, third higher low here, fourth higher low here. The price will give you the internal demand right here, which is $19.12, precise to the penny, 19.12 right here. Okay, this dotted line right here, if you see that, and also the SR interchange of the green line. So right here, it will be internal demand right at 19, then the price will further down next time. Okay, but from here, stock is bullish. The price will 100% going to $19, 19.12. All right, moving forward to Mara. Mara has been kind of struggling here, and right now the price is struggling because of the Bitcoin price. Unless the Bitcoin can reclaim 95, the Mara will be in a struggling zone. All crypto miner are struggling because any Bitcoin they are mining, they are losing $25,000 to $30,000 per Bitcoin. Okay, based on current price, they're losing about $20,000 US per Bitcoin because they are not even able to meet their cost of mining a Bitcoin, and that's the problem the industry is facing. Second thing, right now the market is going through the manipulation. What they are doing, institution, especially the Binance and the JP Morgan, are behind all this orchestrated crash since last 4 days. So what they are doing is exactly they know that the Bitcoin will go up. no one should have a doubt about this one. The Bitcoin will not go up again. Okay, it will go up definitely. So what's happening right here? The people, those who are buying all the way to 126 to 110, 105, 105, 74, 80, all this area, okay, they have a deep pocket. They have a lot of money on the side. So they are trying to liquidate as many people as possible right in this area, around 75, 80 area, so that they will grab their Bitcoin in a cheaper price. Okay. And the same goes to the Bitcoin ETF share, Bitcoin strategy company, MSTR, and all this. It's all the like well calculated and organized crime right now happening in the market by these two players. Okay. They want to liquidate as many as people and grab all the Bitcoin. And again, because they can hold their position, again, when the price goes to 108, they will start distributing right in this area. So by doing this, they will end up making $48,000 per Bitcoin. So 25 plus 7, $32,000 per Bitcoin. And that makes them 50% return in this area. Bitcoin is 100% going $108,000. Nothing in this world can stop that. Record it, write it, tattoo it, make a note, get it stamped. I'm telling you, nothing in this world can stop the Bitcoin to go to 108. I'm not a big fan of 150, 200,000, 400, 440,000. No, I don't know it will happen or not. But 108, yes, 100%. That will be the second higher low area right here where the volume is. You see this right here. Maximum 117, minimum 108. 117 is my top target now. Okay. But between 108 to 117, you will start seeing this kind of price action, this kind of, you see that? So up, consolidate, bounce, distribution, 118, 117, 108 to 117 is the definite distribution area for the next time. And again, the price will tank right here. So what they will do, this is your next distribution area right here. They will distribute and the price will tank once again, right after 108 to 117, in between of that range. Okay. So let's move forward. Amazon stock, we have already covered it, that the price is in upward momentum. So the price will continue upward right before the all-time high right here. I'm telling you, by the few cent you will see, not by the dollar. I'm telling you, few cent right before this candle, few cent here, right here. Let's say this price, all-time high here was, let me give you the precise. So this candle was high at 258.60. Okay, this particular candle, 258.60. I can guarantee you as little as 10 cent down, the price will sell off. 258.50. Right, they will come here and they will leave the gap right here by the few cent and they will tank the price. And if I show you that example somewhere in the past to make you understand what's the game plan here. Let me see if I could find it. Generally, we have that gap downside, okay, just to make you understand. Okay, right here, I have this. Okay, perfect example. Why did this price right here did not take the low of this? You see that the low of this candle was 101.26, and the low of this candle right here was 101.43 right here. Look at the low right here. Okay, so I bring the cursor here, look at the low, 101.43 on this candle, and this candle was 101.26, 17 cent, and the price shot up right after this. So the price went from here. This is exactly you will see on the upside. So price went up, came down by 17 cent, and then shoot up. Why only 17 cent? It could have gone down. It could have stayed up $1. No, this is how market works. Okay, this is how machine trading works. So right here, what will happen? Exactly same situation. You will saw Amazon going exactly right from here. You see this price? The high of this candle is 258.60. Price came down, and you will see exactly going like 258.10, 258.20, and sell off. By the few cent gap, it will sell off. It will not take the equal high of this one. And just keep watching this. This is going to happen tomorrow on the earning. If the price shoot up after the earning, right here, they will sell off. All right, moving forward to BMNR. We have a big position. I particularly have a big position on this one, over 30,000 shares now I'm holding. at average of 38.11. I haven't averaged out yet. I'm looking for a little bit of confirmation on this one. Although I see that the price is holding right in this area, there is a possibility the price start recovering. But right on the volume area, if you look at what confirmation I have so far is the volume is dropping right here. If you see the volume is dropping, price is dropping, volume is dropping, means so the volume will take over and the price will start the recovery area. Okay, right here. This is so we are definitely going back to 52. I don't doubt about it. Okay, the price will 100% go to 52 area right here. But what confirmation I'm waiting on? I'm waiting on the confirmation on Ethereum right here. There is no bull confirmation on Ethereum yet right here. Right here. The volume, this particular candle today is low, but until now, look at this. The volume was rising, and that what made me to stop average out BMNR yet. A lot of people are excited. You know, they are like chimpanzee. They see the $1 price down and start pounding their chest. Wow, wow, wow. Let me buy more. Let me buy more. You need to know the fact. Why are you buying and what's the reason behind it? So right here, if the volume was going up, you see the volume rising right here. There is no better indicator in this world other than volume. If you understand the volume, you understand the market. 99% you can decode the market with volume, because no one can manipulate the volume. Rest every indicator, every analysis can be manipulated, but no one can change the volume. Volume is like fixed number of trade happened, based number of share traded. Nobody can change that. You can't even add one share in the volume. And that's why the volume is the most reliable. So what you were looking here, the volume was increasing here. Okay. Volume was increasing means right from this point that they were interested in sell, right? All the volume are red and the price is dropping and the volume is going up. Volume up, price drop. At further point, the volume will drop and the price will retrace, means recover towards 200 EMA, which is 3163. The price will 100% recover, but I don't have any confirmation yet. Okay. And that's why I'm waiting on BMNR. Today, we see the first faded volume candle right here. Today is the first time when the sell volume is fading. So most likely, we will see the recovery on this one. Overall, I have called long before the bottom of Ethereum, when the Ethereum was trading around 3,600 something. That time I called the bottom is 1,900 in the Discord. I clearly mentioned Ethereum can go to 1,900. Even if Tom Lee thinks the Bitcoin, the Ethereum was at 24 touch and go, so he need to see the mirror now. The price has dropped to 2,100. It can literally drop to 1,900. But if it dropped to 1,900, the first thing I'll do is buy Ethereum right away, because that's what I'm waiting for. Since I've sold my Bitcoin, which I sold around 113, 116. After that, I have not gone big on crypto. Okay. I have a lot of crypto, like small crypto. I have a Solana, I have Algorand, I have Shiba Inu, I have a Dogecoin, I have some other as well, like Habar, like GRT. So all these are small crypto. I have quite a big position, but I haven't added Bitcoin and Ethereum since I sold my Bitcoin. So I'm waiting on Ethereum. And this year, I'm not trading Bitcoin. Let me tell you that. I'm trading Ethereum and Solana. Okay. Those are the two crypto that I'll be trading continuously. Just waiting for a little bit of recovery. Once I have the confirmation, I'll be jumping on the Ethereum. Okay, moving forward. So we know what to do with the Amazon earning coming tomorrow after the market. S&P 500, every pump will be shorting. So be ready to take the short position. Once we call it in the Discord right away. Okay, we'll be monitoring these candles. The price will go up from here, I'm telling you. So right here. And this is the candle which will make the price go up. This particular candle, it's holding here. The first we have retested the 200 EMA, price drop, now at point of control line. Right in this area is your short target, right here, when the volume fade, right here, 693 and above. I'm looking for 695.12. That's where my limit order is, short position right here. I'll short in this area, okay? So we'll be looking around where we short, above 693 to 695 area. All right, so someone has a circle on the demand. Circle is good stock, long position holding. This stock belongs to north of $500, $600, but not today, not tomorrow. The Bitcoin has to go like 200,000, 250,000 before this stock shoot up like crazy. Okay, very Good company, you don't have to worry about. It's not going anywhere, but it's only good for the long term. It's not a trading stock. Some stock are not trading stock. Like you can trade. If you want to trade, you trade Amazon. You want to trade, you trade Tesla. You trade coin is also a trading stock. Okay, but stock like Circle, stock like Bull, okay, stock like Neo. These are the stock that you buy and hold, and you wait for that run. So don't expect, let's say we have a NEO position. Don't expect that NEO to run tomorrow. It may not run tomorrow. We don't know. But will it run? Yes, it will 100% run. Maybe 15 days, 20 days from now, it will 100% run. Nothing can stop that. Okay. And what we are looking at on NEO is right here, the price target, which is around $7. And we got the upgrade. Someone upgraded, I don't know, Pipe Schindler or someone, $7. We already know that where the hell the upgrade is coming from. Right at the closing of this particular candle. The first candle, the high of this candle is 728, and the Pipe Schindler, they upgraded to $7. So all these analysts, they bullshit around, knows nothing whole day. Okay, so right here, all right, let's go. The market is open. SMCI 8%, 32.37, good bounce, volume candle, very good. We are quite happy with this particular candle. The price will turn bullish. And right here, the first time we saw the volume. So right here, so far the market is in the same trend, but now we are heading for the break of structure. So we had a change of character right here. You see that the market has a marked change of character, means the structure has shifted to bullish. So right from here, this pullback failed to break the previous low and shoot up into wave 3 right here. And this point will be the break of structure right here, and market will turn bullish. So we are just waiting for a little bit more higher, approximately the high breakout of 33.64. Once we cross 33.64, the price will turn bullish. Till then, we are range bound. All right, so let's go. Let's look at any trade we can close. Again, the shit is red. HIMS is coming back, 3% green today. It's range bound right here in this candle. Right now, no one knows where the hell the price will go. If you look at here, you will see that even if this is 3% green, the price is not going anywhere. Okay, it's stuck between the previous day high as well as the previous day low. So yesterday price is still right in this area. Okay, all right, so the coin is still tanking, giving us a hard time. I was not expecting this kind of drop. It should have never dropped. You see, there's the falling wedge right here, which was way, our price target was way, our buying was way below this falling wedge. You see that? And this is what I was talking about. The price always go fake out one time. So you see that fake out, people were excited. Oh, falling wedge, the breakout. This is why the indicator and all this retail investors, small player, those who follow the pattern, they don't work. So the first breakout is always fake. Breakout, upside, fake, take down the liquidity of all the people. Now the real move will come from here. It will eventually go same place, right here, 344. Nothing can stop that. It will go to 344. I already know that. But it comes down for the liquidity grab. And there is an extra pressure from the crypto sell-off. All right, so let's look at what we are doing. If we have something to close. No, nothing to close today. Surprise, surprise, nothing to close. All right, so we hold DVLT, not averaging out. After a long time, we have nothing to close today. SMCI, the share will be called away, so we'll continue holding our position. We are holding the short put as well as the share will be gone, at least those 500 share we have a cover call. Okay, S&P 500, 689.51. 5 minute. Let's look at what's going on here. At least we should get the okay ultra high volume on the sell side. I don't know why the ultra high volume is here. There's no reason for this. Stopping volume at the trend line. Is there something happening here? Yes, there is a trend line. So this trend line from the lower area to the higher low to the third higher low, and we got the ultra high volume right here. So what will happen? The next candle, the volume will fill up. Okay, and this is not a bearish setup. Make sure you know that. Come on. Don't do that. Okay. Stopping volume, heavy buying pressure. The buyer are pushing the candle, so do not short yet. So continue holding the trade. I mean, continue waiting. We don't have a trade. We are waiting to short S&P 500. Stochastic is bullish, so just wait for the price to go up. Neo, MST, everything is again red. HIMS is HIMS as SBUX. Look at this one, the piece of shit. The one of the worst stock in the world, Starbucks, is green. And that's why the market is like so damn, whatever analysis you do, whatever the knowledge you have, this is the one of the worst stock in the entire world. There is no pathetic stock than Starbucks. Okay. It never moves. It has been in 95, 93, 88 area for like almost about 20 years now. Look at this one from here, all the way, the same area, $1 up, $2 down, $1 up, $2 down. And the worst of the market sell off going on right now. And this shit is green. All right, SMCI shooting up. Good. We needed this volume. Okay, what we need is the high of this candle, the next today. Okay, the high of this particular candle right here. This need to be break next candle with the low volume right here. The volume should not rise here. If the volume rise, the pattern will fail and the price will retrace. So right now, so far, everything is good. We have a low volume. We have a candle breaking out. If this candle push, take down 3363 today, and the volume stays here, perfect setup for the bull trend change. That will be interesting to see. Right now, I'm happy with the low volume here. The volume stay low and the breakout should happen. We already have a breakout. Here we go. 3366 breakout, wick mark. So most likely we are turning the bull trend starting today. Yeah. 3376. We must stay above 33.66 today. And the volume should stay down here. Volume should not rise. If we have this kind of green candle, ultra high volume like this one, followed, the price will drop again. So if the volume is low, bingo, that's what we need. Okay, Bitcoin already do not buy an average out. Yes, how can it not break out? Amazon bullish, bullish. Steph 3112, Nick. Okay, we don't care who you are. All right, so I'll close this. 3396, excellent, good breakout. I'm very happy with SMCI. That's what exactly we want the stock to behave. Give us a low volume here on the volume bar and the breakout. And if this hold here today, we have a trend change confirmation. And then it's going to 40. All right. So the 40 short put is recovering, almost coming to right now on 10 contract. I still have like $1,800 running loss on this. The share will be called away for the profit. The puts are coming back. Okay. 34. Let me see if I can close my trade. If it's maximum profit, I will close it. I'll see what's the loss on the covered call and what's the gain on the share. So if its net volume has increased my profit, net profit, I will close it. There's no point holding the share for another 2 days. Puya, someone is knocking. All right, see right here. 3432, excellent breakout. Very happy with this one. We have the confirmation. Anything you want, you can short the put on SMCI and collect the premium. So this is the time. The breakout is happening. That's what I was telling you. Have patience with this one. When you have the patience, you know the game out. Perfect breakout. We are heading into $40 right in this area. 39.93 first price target, 200 EMA. The price will continue from this one. We have the breakout. Wave 3 has started. Gap up, volume. So right here, 40 area. I'll mute you for 5 minutes, okay? 5-minute break. start with the SMCI. Exactly. So 200 EMA cross, price is bullish, stock is bullish, straight into 40. Do not panic, short the put on S&P 500 if you can. Those who already shorted, continue holding your trade. There is nothing to worry about here. Okay, SMCI, $30, 6th of February. That give me, okay, right here, 34.34. So 6th of February, I have a $30 call, which is 440, 170 to $270 loss here. And I'm making, so per contract, 270 loss, but on the share, the gain is 400. So $130 net. Okay, I think I can close the trade here. 448, 440. Cancel this 280, 348. If I leave it to expire, does it make any sense? Neo, what's the Neo price? If I can put this entire money into Neo today and average out Neo. Come on. At the trend line. 6th of February, we might not get Neo here. I think the Neo is next to go up. Okay, so 34.59, 34.61, that call 490. Buy to close. Okay, margin USD. Buy to close covered. Limit price 470, 4.701. 1 here, 8 here, 9 contract. Okay, so 9 contract. If I go 470, 170, that's loss of $300 here. But this one brings me 3180. So that's 3170, 3480. Okay, let's see if this order fills. We'll try. Open order, not filling up. 590, 35, 3170. That gives me 3480. Give me like a few seconds. I'm just adjusting my trade. If I can play around with this. Okay, right here, SMCI. Good trade, excellent. The candle has breakout. We are in wave 3, confirm bullish trend has started from here. Okay. $465, 475, 30. Okay, order filled. So 3463. Come on. What is the premium? 6 February 33. 32, 35. Yeah, I can sell this call for 6th. So let's not close it. Get some here. 3466. Okay, 34, 33. $2. Okay. So the option. Come on. 33. Sell call. 33 call. Why I'm selling 33 call when I'm getting 31, 40, $60? Not worth it. Okay, so what I do? Margin USD. I've just paid. So cancel this order. Okay, and sell 350. So 3350 has a call for 170. If you can sell this, yeah. Sell to open covered. 9 contract. Okay, so excellent. I had adjusted my covered call. The first call I closed for a loss, but then I secured the high premium for 33 for 6 February. So this will make sense. This will give me, I lost $300 here. And I made, tomorrow the trade, day after tomorrow the trade will close. So 30.70, so 33 plus 170, 33 plus 1.7, no, 3350, 3350 plus 1.70, 3520 minus 300. That will okay. So I just playing around. I just double my profit. So that's good. Same 6 February, giving back $300 made me some extra dollar on Friday. All right. So 3350 call. Okay, what's the question you have? No, don't do that. No. Market is still red. Don't rush to buy yet. Market is still, when every time when there is a big sell-off, it takes few days before the investor confidence comes back. People are scared. People are hitting margin. They are liquidated. Their confidence in the market is shaken. So it takes 1 or 2 days before the market stabilizes. So people start buying again when the price is cheap. Even yesterday, even if the price was cheap, right when the market sell off big time, even if the price was cheap, people did not buy. Look at the volume. There was no volume. Volume was still dropping because people were not. It's like it's not the fault of anyone. You are not confident. Your confidence get shaken. All right, the volume is dropping, price is going up. The price will drop again. So be ready. Let's go to a little higher time frame and see what's going on. Okay, volume suddenly drop. This volume drop is not good right here. Spread candle, volume fill up. The price will pull back once again. Okay, so we'll monitor this. I really want to have a short position right at this point, which is 695.12. Right, sorry, not this dotted line, this one, red line right here, 695.12. So 690, if it gives us $4 bounce, that will be like a best short selling. Do you see the Palantir going to 120 area? 100%. Palantir is the most expensive stock in the world. Yeah. So what did I say Palantir here? Look at this one. Palantir, I clearly mentioned it's a pump and dump. The earning. So it just dropped 7%. So this was the pump, this was the dump. You see the clear here? Look at here. From here, pump, dump. And what did I say here? I'll show you. Palantir was a clear pump and dump. It was visible everywhere. People don't understand the chart. If they understand the chart, they know what the hell is happening. Two things if you master the chart and the volume, you know what the hell the game is. You may go still in a little bit of up and down, but that's fine. That's the part of the game. But look at here. SMCI, I said pump it up, stock went up. But on the Palantir, what did I say? Pump and dump right here. So on the earning, it pumped and right away it dumped. You see that from the price that I said pump, and here is the result. Pump and dump. It's very simple, not rocket science. So we don't design engine here in the trading. Tell me, how can it not dump right here? Learn the chart, boy, learn the chart. Sooner or later, you will find your click. You lose money unless it triggered you in the market. Once you find your click point, you will win. So game is simple. When you understand it, you understand it. That's it. Amazon will stay bullish. AMD, I told, someone asked me in the Discord, what about the AMD? I clearly mentioned pass because we bought it AMD at 253. We closed at 250. So on the earning, we stay sideline. Amazon, we are in wave B and C right here. Okay. So we already had this, the bit, and now you look at the game, which I just told you. That's what I like about it. So right here, what did I say? The price will go right few cent down right here. So this was the previous high, which was 258.60. And where the hell is this going? 257.54. You see that? Right few cent the market will sell off. And nothing in this world can stop it. So it will go here and sell off. Okay, very good. Coin and Netflix. Coin, you continue holding. Sell some call because you have 100 plus share. So your average is 200. Sell some call now. Why you are holding just the share? Can you sell the call on the corporate account, Sean? Even if it bring you $100, $200, still something you can bring it. Okay. So if you go for 20th of February, $200 call, that gives you 277. Yeah, 206 is your average. So yeah, 210, $168. $210 call for 20th of February. $178. Yeah. Recover that much. What would be the good covered call coin? What's your average? Always mention in your. What's your average? Right on the money on the Palantir. Do you see the Palantir going to 120 area previous liquidity? Yes, Palantir right here on the screen right now. Okay. What will happen on the Palantir? Right here, those who are in the Discord, they know that what the hell just happened here. Why? How did I know? So what do you know? What do you see here? I have trained you about this pattern. Okay, right here. What is this pattern right here? And what is this pattern here? Right here. So that's it. The game is simple. We know that. M up, M down. M down, M up. M up, M down. Nothing can stop it. When you have an M down right here, M up another one, M down another one, M down another one. Who will stop it? It's a game that you need to know that every move the market will make. Okay, Palantir, the liquidity grab point is sitting right here, which is 148. We have already taken the liquidity now. Okay, the previous liquidity was right here. This you see that red line coming here? This one. Because the liquidity was under this point. Why it was 148? Because there was a wick right here. You see the wick? So we'll consider the body of the candle, which is 153. Okay, the holding volume was above 153. Under 153, the liquidity grab is going on right now. Okay, so right now we are going through that period. We have a little bit more downside here. We may not go to 120. No, I'm not a big fan of 120, so not going to happen. Let me go to daily chart if there is some changes. 200 EMA breached. Okay, that's one of the concern now. Where it's coming from. All righty. Yes, it can go to 125 area. Right here, this previous high, right here, 125.27. Area is the bottom, right at this particular candle right here. So it can go to 125 area. 306, hold. Why you have average 306 on the coin? What the hell is going on here? Where did the average coin average 306? Where did it come from? Whoa, we all bought it at 212. How come you have 306? Boy, you will go to profit for sure, but 306 is like, it will take you time before you come to profit. What is SW? What is SW? What is SW? What is your favorite SW stock? I don't know what you're trying to say here. Oh, you bought it before you joined us. Okay, that's fine. So then it makes sense because we knew it 212 right here. Because if you look at, there was no reason. No one in our group has coin before 212. So that's fine. We'll work out something for you. We'll see. because in our group, 100%. We had a zero alert before 212. 212.10 right here. You see the coin update. If it hit the bottom out price target, 26th of January, not this one. So there must be another alert right here. Coin, possible bottom Tesla. Okay. Where's the coin? 202. What bottom are we looking at? Coin 212.93 something. 212 right here. This is where we waited. This is where we picked up the stock right here, 373, and then we knew it 212 is because it's internal. You see, down, up. So highest point, low point, lower high, lower low. This was our buy area right here. So we are still underwater right now on this position. There is nothing we can do because we took this liquidity. This is the low area we wanted to buy, and we bought it right here, 212. So right now we are underwater, but we'll come back. 100%. Any trade below 212 cannot stay there. The price will not stay there. Okay, let's pay attention to the, we bought, when you said 295, we can trade area support in November, coin. Okay, but 306, where is 306? Why you buy the coin? Why there was always a short put. I don't know what's going on here. Why you buy the share? Why are you so keen to buy? I don't understand. Okay, on corporate account, you don't have option to sell. Okay, continue holding. Okay, short put you got assigned. Okay. Then you should be looking at the short, the number of equal put now on the account. SPY minus 0.6% in 5 minutes. That's weakness here, right here. Okay, the volume fill up going on. Did we miss the short? Come on, it should not drop. Drop was imminent. That's why I was looking at. Yeah, because we got busy on the other side. But we could not have opened the short position here. We are waiting a little higher price. So, yeah. And I would have not gone to short position right in 691. That's too low to short. Okay. Another 200 EMA rejection. This is just a volume fill up, so it's not a sell off. Okay. This spread candle, ultra high volume candle right here. The volume is fill up downside. Again, the price will go up. So the range today is 685 right here. Okay. I'm at an exit rate 142 after earning. Okay, if you think so. Okay. I think you should trade merit put. Because your high is 306, merit put will make you some money. Every time the stock bounce, you buy some put, like equal number. Let's say you're 500 share. Every time the price goes up, you buy ATM, merit put. Okay, always ATM. No, I'm not looking at 696. No. Not happening. S&P 500 not going to 696. That was yesterday. This point was yesterday. It's not happening today. Even if it rises from here and goes up, still it will fail before this point, before 697, this point, 696. Most likely will fail at the interchange right here, this point. This is the most likely the price will fail, 695.12. It will not go above 695.12. Coin has been a pain, man. Very hell, the put is in solid profit, but we can't close it. Oh, I'm giving a hard time. Few people, if they, I don't know what to say. Michael Saylor, CZ from Binance. These people deserve a jail time. That's it. Nothing else. Put these bastard in jail. And what a nonsense going on in the market. CEO from JP Morgan, all these people, those who are manipulating the markets. We don't have any trade. What are you doing? What are you doing? SPY, we closed the trade yesterday and today we haven't shorted yet. Today we did not get the entry. It's too down here. We can't short it here. There's no point shorting S&P 500 here. Right here, change of character. This will go up and have a break of structure here. So may not happen today, but tomorrow most likely. This is what I'm expecting. Something like this. Yeah. That's the problem. We don't know. If you look at this, is really not something this disgusting what you are looking at. Look at this one, coin. If you look at this stock, no matter what analysis you did, okay? Look at this one. How the hell anyone in this world justify this manipulation? It's one of the worst time for last 4 days. 96 hours has been crazy. Look at this one. If you pay close attention on the RSI, look at this one. This stock has never been this much oversold. Look at here. This oversold. You see this blue area? Oversold. RSI has gone to 18. It has never been in the history. The RSI 18 was last time in May 2022. And the price was here at 42. That's where the RSI is now. Look at this one. This is the level of manipulation the market is going through. It has never been. Look at this one anywhere after this point, which is June, May 2022. After that, you never see the RSI below 30. You see that? Of course, they're literally. I never seen this stock. Look at it. Historically, this stock, when it went public right here in which year they went public? 2021 or something, right here. We see that's the data maximum I can see. So since 2021, the Coinbase, yes, they went 2021 when the Jim Cramer tweeted they like at 457 right here at the top. His tweet came. Okay, yes. So 2021, it went public. Since then, only this is the third time it has been oversold. Look at the RSI here. How the hell someone justify this? And even if the Bitcoin is losing the value, Coinbase is not losing the value. It's a crypto trading platform. They're making the money. Every transaction is still happening. Even if people are losing money, still that they are paying the transaction fees. Yeah. Historically, this is trading at the most oversold level historically of the Coinbase. It should have never dropped below this price right here, 236. Practically, 236 was the bottom. After that, this is complete manipulation. So right now we are trading at 170, 233. So let's say $60 of like 233, $60. That makes you approximately 25%. So 25% down, and it's a pure manipulation. There is no reason here. This liquidity. Shit, man. I don't know. They can't go 2022. Right here. Look at this one. This was the COVID dip, right? I think. No. Okay. This was the April crash. And where is the COVID damn thing came? Okay. This stock came public after COVID, so it's fine. This is really bad. It should have never gone to this level. And another thing, if you look at the stock, if you have, so you see this third higher high right here. Okay. And then look at this one right here. You see here, this much is extra. Look here. Right now, this is where the price has to go. But these people have, like, deep pocket. They can manipulate the market. There is nothing as a retail investor we can do. This is where the price need to go minimum, and this price point is 300 area, minimum to minimum 300 area. This is where this stock belongs, this SR interchange right here. If I yellow this line, then you will see it. Look, this is where this price belongs. A software company, SW. How do I know what is SW, man? Come on. I will put money into 2 to 3 different stock. I will have a small position into INOD, INOD, plus I will have, okay, let me give you that. I'll have a short put on INOD, INOD. I'll have a 50-50 share and short put on SMCI right here. And I will wait for NVDA to drop. Okay, NVIDIA is dropping around 165 area. I'll be interested in NVIDIA as well. Why this price is down? I explained you before. What is happening right now? This price, because they want to pump the stock into earning. So I told you 2 things will happen. If the price goes up towards 200 area, they will sell the earning. If they sell before earning, they will pump at the earning. So what will happen now? Since the price is dropping before earning, fake out around 200 EMA and then pump on the earning. Yeah. So this is what 160. I'll be 160 area. I'll be interested in, really interested in NVIDIA around 160. This low, this point. Okay, this is around 163 area. So after that, there is no volume. You see the volume? There is no volume here, right here. So 160 will be excellent buy. 163. Let me update you. Okay, Wix is, yeah, that's what I was looking at, the Wix to bounce, because on a smaller time frame, I was looking at a falling wedge on the Wix. Okay. And that's what made it to go up. The Wix short call came in profit, but we couldn't close it. So it happens. It's part of the game. Hood. Where the hell this shit has a bottom? Why the hell was it trading for 150? Wave 5 need to start. Wave 5 need to start. This liquidity taken, this one is taken, this one is taken, and there is no liquidity here. All right, come on. I told you now, October itself, that this is where you get tested in the market, how strong you are, whether you deserve to be in the market or you get knocked out. That's it. This week is a time frame where you have been tested. Your patience, your diamond hand, everything will be tested. Yes, I see any hope for the bull. Bull is not going anywhere, my friend. It's normal. When the market is dropping, okay, like whatever happened, pure manipulation, everyone knows that. It's on, everyone is screaming on this one. Look, including the well-known people like Cathy Wood has come out saying the market manipulation. Okay, so when the market is manipulated, don't change your analysis. Don't change your thought about the stock. 99% chance you'll always be wrong. Because whenever you market is dropping and you think, oh shit, it will go further down. What are you looking at? Means you are looking at emotional decision or fearful decision. So 99% chance you're always wrong in that situation. Let's run the wave here. Come on. We don't see the recovery candle yet. Bloody shit. Okay. Even if we hold this particular candle, still I'm telling you there is a big hope. Look at this one right now. The price is holding here. This order block. Yeah. Law is only for a small retail investor. If you're running a small Twitter account, you have to declare, oh, it's not a financial advice. On YouTube, you have to say it's not a financial advice, small account holder. But when the JP Morgan is entirely hijacked the market, or Binance hijacked the crypto industry, no one cares. There is no law for those people. World is crazy. Everyone knows the market is manipulated. No one will go to jail. Yes, we are waiting for confirmation. We are looking for a trade today. I was more interested in shorting S&P 500. I don't think so. We are getting it here. The price will definitely go up. So on a 5-minute time frame, I'm waiting the price to go up. We again have a bullish engulfing. The price dropped. Ultra high volume. Suddenly the volume dropped. Candle bounce. We have a divergence, clear divergence here. So if you see the volume finished, okay, the buy volume will come, and we have a divergence here. So the price will go up for sure. I'm really looking 500, 695.12. So 521 falling wedge, good stock, good price. DVLT. Yesterday I refused to buy when the price was going up. I knew it. Okay. So I will either buy at 51 or I will not buy at all. 0.51. This area right here. There's a little bit gap left to 0.51. Yes, there was some other company I needed to alert you. Okay, which company was that? GameStop. Yes. Very true. So at $30, the company will have a convertible note offering. At everyone, I shouldn't have said this information on YouTube. GME at $30, they will announce convertible note for $6 billion, $6.1 billion offering. This is coming. Make sure once GME reach to $30, you get the hell out of everything and buy some put. That's the information got leaked today. I don't want to. Not good. I didn't know. Okay. But I think only the Discord member are there, so it's fine. All right. So GME at $30, they will announce the convertible note worth $6.1 billion offering. Make sure you buy some put. Okay. It's not yet. Not going to happen. Right at 30. So keep watching. Keep watching the game. I hope they're not outsider on the YouTube today. Okay, right here. So what we have here. Okay. How's SMCI holding? We just forgot about it. SMCI 33.48. Okay, dropping. This candle definitely will have a little bit of pull back because it's only the single day candle. Okay. Now that's something interesting. The volume is going up. Volume should not rise here. Volume should not rise. Okay. This candle is our principal candle. This candle volume was this much. Okay, we are good. Okay. So we are good here. Low volume breakout of this candle. Yeah, perfect. We are good on SMCI. Everything is fine. Yes, 100%. Yes, 100%. SMCI, you can do the OTM short put without hesitation. There's nothing wrong. Pay attention to GME. Pay attention to this alert. I don't want people to say, oh, I didn't see that. There is a 500 message in the Discord. I'll pin this message, okay? So don't give me later the reaction. Our SMCI exit point is 44.89. Okay, all trade will be closed. Make sure you have BMNR management. Okay, BMNR, this one is done, I think, right? On 15th of January. Yeah, this is done. So I can remove this pin. Huh? Palantir. What did you ask for? Why would I say stay long on the Palantir when I'm telling you pump and dump clearly, and I have not traded Palantir for almost 2 years? I have a zero trade on the Palantir. Dominic, why did you ask me about Palantir? I opened one trade of Palantir and right away I closed it for profit. Yeah, I'm not responsible if you take the answer from someone else. I have not responded. I know your question. I did not respond to you about Palantir. Palantir, I have not touched it. That's the most expensive stock on the planet. Why the hell I will say buy? It's the most expensive stock on the planet. And no real business. A lot of people say, oh, Palantir is revolutionizing. It's nothing. It's a surveillance company. Look at the bloody damn market cap and the P ratio. And the P ratio, until when the price was trading at 200, P ratio was 600. How the hell a stock can hold 600 P ratio? Even at 143, this is overvalued. Highly overvalued. Not just, oh, it has come down from 200. Okay, right here. Look. Where is the liquidity? This is where the liquidity is sitting. Bloody damn at under $74. Still, there is a 50% down to go from here. Palantir is the most disgusting stock. A lot of people like it. A lot of people love it. Oh, Palantir will revolutionize. That's not how market works. Okay. If that's how market works, the Palantir is a good stock, then why Amazon is trading at 20 P ratio now? It's a good stock, leading the world in the online retail. And still, the price is eating the dust. Look at the Amazon. Doesn't matter if the market gives you 2 trillion. Look at the P ratio, 33. Why on the Amazon one hand, 33 P ratio. On the other hand, Palantir, 400 ratio. I know they are not two different sectors, but still, realistically, Palantir is the worst stock on the Wall Street today. BMO Capital 304. Price target update on Amazon. This is the only stock in the market which I consider undervalued today. Amazon stock which are undervalued stock like Amazon, Bull, BMNR, HIMS, SMCI, okay, Li Auto, Coin. These are the stock which are undervalued. Meta still highly overvalued, and right at this point 744, I told you the Meta will crash, and look at the results. And this shit is going to 539 right here. This liquidity is on the target, and nothing can stop that. Right here, this point is will end here. I already drawn the box. This is where the price will drop. A lot of people on the social media talking about $1,000 Meta. No, it's not going. The garbage only belong to $530. Whether someone like it, they don't like it, their choice. Why it will drop? Look what's going on here. You see this red line, which is SR interchange coming from the previous low right here, 545. And we have the people don't understand 99% retail investor always gets stuck in a point B right here. That's the problem they have. Point B, they think, oh, we'll break out. No, point B is always a fail. So right here, 1, 2, 3 down here. And that's where the bottom is, like 539. So this area. So I'll move my right here. So this is the area. And if you look at this area right from here all the way to this area, this will be repeated here without a doubt. So right here, you see that the price is coming 529, 530 area. Meta put, Meta, I will say short call spread. Credit. Try to take credit. Don't buy the market. Palantir is the last stock on this planet I will recommend anyone to buy. Okay. Right now, Meta, big no-no. Run, don't look back. Okay. Same goes to some other stock as well. Look now, this is what we call it. So daily time frame, I've been saying 474. Right here at this point, what we are looking at, Fibonacci retracement 479, right below the previous point. Exactly same setup, 100%, which is on Meta, will happen here. Look, so you see this? The price will go here up, and they will exactly go to the high of this area. Let me see why people lose money in trading. This is the previous high, the head, left shoulder, right here. This is where the price will go and price will tank. And if this thing, if you see, exactly same thing happened on Meta. You see that? And right from here, then the price will tank. So right here, up, and the price will sell off here, 470 area. And this time, these 3 points right here. So this is what will happen. Downward channel right here. So this thing, okay. Same thing happened on the Meta. Meta. You see that? Same thing. Exactly same thing. So right here, right here. So this will sell off at this point exactly. Same, the Tesla will sell off at this point, 470 area. Okay. Amazon, keep trading, keep trading. That's the only way. That's the only way. Sell, call, sell, call, sell, call. That's it. There is no way to safeguard if you don't sell the market. Please understand, buying is over on 6th of October. This is not the buying time. If you don't sell, you don't make it money. Okay, where is TSLA going? We have a TSLA spread going on here. Okay. The day you start selling the call, you start recovering. 689.91. Okay, let's see. Exactly. That's what I was looking at. Volume is green. Come on, but why the price is failing every time at 690? What's going on here? So we got the divergence. I clearly mentioned you is bullish. The price is bouncing off once we have the divergence. low area volume, looking at upside fill up. If the price will not go to 695, we'll not take a short position today. I'm telling you, so it's not worth it. If we short here. This is the area we want to short, right here, this area. And if I give you the price, maybe we'll go tomorrow, I think. So I don't know if we will get the exit, the entry today on S&P 500. So precisely right here. Yeah, 695 area is a good short. This is the area we want to short the market once again, right here. And then we have this. So don't short before 695. It will be too early. Minimum target 686. So this $9 here to be made. Excellent $9. So we'll wait for this one. Crypto selling again, 674. Come on, stop this nonsense. Piece of shit. Every drop on Amazon, you short the put. Okay, every drop. Amazon is bullish. I've clearly mentioned it's a bullish stock. Take advantage of that. Left the fair value gap. Bullish. Will retap here. 235.98 and again will bounce. So the price will retap and bounce to 40 area like this. SMCI 12.34%. Okay, holding 33. Good. 5 minute. The price, this pullback on SMCI is on a higher time frame. If you see that, and there's a reason for this one. Okay, I don't know what time frame I saw it. There is a tapping needed. Yeah. Oh man, there is nothing to close today. Shit. If the coin bounce around 270 minimum, 200 EMA, SR interchange from this point. BMO Capital retreat, outperform rating on the Amazon, maintenance $304 price target, 242 current price 242. Remain strongly bullish with the target price 230 to 360. This stock, Amazon, is highly undervalued, I'm telling you. Topic coverage, maintenance 304. Okay, let me see what kind of revenue they are looking at alongside the operating income 24 billion. So billion, the earning per share 198, 12.1% margin, making a 12% increase in the previous year. Okay, 12% year-on-year growth is good. Margin is decent here, 12%. Same day delivery, 4,000 location. What is the reportedly served as an user 550 years fast. So this is useless stuff. Q4 revenue to reach 211 billion. Okay. 211 billion. Okay, I'll stop the stream. I have a guest at home. Okay, I'll be in the Discord now. Thanks, bye.